All right, YouTube. So today we're going to be working on, I'm going to show you guys how I mount up the Kirkey seats inside of the El Camino. I disassembled them so I can show you guys, and also show you guys a good product, which is by Henderson Race Shop. They have the Kirkey seat mounts for a G-body. So inside the G-body, well, this is the El Camino. So I had to weld those in. That was in one of my videos. When I put the GTO seats in, had to weld these in here, and these here are already there, and also on the other side. So I had to weld these two and these two. So what I'm going to show you today is how to get the Henderson Race Shop brackets to work on here. These are the brackets here. I painted them black so they could blend in. So this right here is the Kirkey seat. As you see here, I got some bolts inside here. So what you have to do is you have to drill a hole. Actually, but the bolts didn't come with this brackets, so I had to buy some bolts. These are 1/4 inch 20 bolts. You just drill a hole here that matches up with the holes in the mounts, like that. You can actually put it on the seat, and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, as you see here, I've drilled the holes out for the mounts on both sides. And there. And the way that the brackets go, so this is the back bottom of the seat. So the bracket will go upside down for right now. It's kind of hard for me to hold this, but it'll match up with these right here. On both sides. So then you just use the bolts to bolt it in, and you just basically, you have to clean out these holes because it's a little bit hard, because this here has a curve in it when it goes down this way on both sides. So I'll show you how I get them in there. So these brackets also have different mounting options. You could just move this, and then it has 3 holes here and 3 holes here, so that the bottom mount could mount correctly. So you could, I have mine in the middle position, but you can move it back or forward. And when you move it back and forth, the middle is where I bolt mine, here, on each bracket. But then when you move it, you can make it where that when you move this up forward, you use this front hole, the same down with here. So when you move this up, you're gonna have to use this front hole and that front hole. So I'll show you how I put it inside the G-body right now. Okay, as you can see here, we got the seat mounted in the car by bolting it up here, there, and here. And this is how the seat look. It's very sturdy to the point I'm shaking the whole car. This here is the seat position that it will have for the person sitting in the car, which the lap belts come down here. Perfect. I'd like to thank you, Henderson Race Shop, for making these brackets. It made it a lot simpler. That's why this video is not going to be too long. It's just drill 4 holes. You can use your stock bolts that you had from like a stock G-body seat, and you just bolt it right in. And it's also adjustable. Had to move mine up because I'm not that tall, but I may move it back a little bit more. This takes into factor also steering wheel. So once I get the pedal in and also get everything else done, then I'll adjust the seat and I'll also put the carpet in. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also leave comments down at the bottom if you have a build that you're building. I'd like to see a lot more people work on their own cars. Prefer that than going to a shop. So just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video also. There may be someone else just like me that I was looking around for how to do certain things, And then I just got out in the garage and started doing it myself. So again, thank you.